Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video we'll be tackling some matrices questions, so let's head straight into them. So this question says, given that the matrix M is equal to n plus 1, 2, 2n and n, the first part is to write down an expression for the determinant of M. So we want to find the determinant of M. So in order for us to find the determinant, we multiply the product of the diagonals and then we subtract them. So it's AD minus BC. So A would be this here. So it would be n plus 1 multiplied by n, subtract 2 multiplied by 2n. Hence this would be, so we can write this as n multiplied by n plus 1, subtract 2 times 2n would be 4n. So this would be n, we distribute this n throughout here, so this would be n times n would be n squared. N times 1 would be plus n. And this would be minus 4n. Hence this will give us n squared, and n minus 4n would be a minus 3n. So the determinant of M would be n squared minus 3n. And that would be the expression for the determinant of M. And next they ask us now to find M inverse. So in order for us to find N inverse, so let me work this at the top here. In order for us to find M inverse, it will be 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint. So we already found the determinant here. Now we need to find the adjoint. So we know the adjoint of this. So the adjoint of this, we switch these two. So wherever you have n, we'll put n plus 1. And where you have n plus 1, we'll put n. So this will be n. And you put at the bottom here n plus 1. And then we flip the signs of these two. So this here will become a negative 2 and a negative 2n. So it's 1 over the determinant multiplied by this. So M inverse now would be 1 over the determinant. And we found the determinant to be, so it's 1 over n squared minus 3n. This is what we found to be the determinant. Multiplied by n, negative 2, negative 2n, and n plus 1. So this can be simplified too. This is simply be, this times n would be n over n squared minus 3n. And then this times this would be a negative 2n over n squared minus 3n. And then this times this, negative 2 would be a negative 2 over n squared minus 3n. And this times n plus 1 would be n plus 1 all over n squared minus 3n. And hence this would be the inverse of the matrix M. Alright, so this would be the inverse of the matrix M. And it's very simple. We just need to use the same concepts that we learned from matrix and work them using some algebra. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a good understanding of matrix and how to work a question like this. So I'll see you in the next video in which we'll be tackling some more questions. So until then, keep practicing and take care.